Good day everyone, so welcome back to Kika in the Philippines channel. So for today's vlog, we plan to visit Buwak ni Alejandra in Balamban City. It wasn't the perfect day due to a bad weather condition. That day have heavy rain, lightning, and thunder, and it's so scary because when we go down it's kind of slippery. Then I'm with my son and also my friend. So I think we didn't really enjoy that day, but hopefully soon we go visit it again. Till next time. And I would like to suggest that you better have or rent a motorcycle or a motor vehicle because it's really hard to wait. It takes 1 or 2 hours before you can go back to Cebu City. And that's all for the kaganapan for that day, and hopefully you enjoy it. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. I was grew up actually in Cebu City, but ever since I haven't went to a Buwak ni Alejandra, it's just my first time. So finally, and maybe I will not going to bring back my son with me, maybe my friends only, and just to have like banding. It's been a while since we planned that to go there, but we're really busy. We have hectic schedule. Wow, it's a hectic schedule. Once again, this is Kika in the Philippines, and thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell